artistic gymnast Carlos Adriel Yulo is rewarded with a lifetime access to VivaMax content.
What?
VivaMax announced on its Facebook page that it's joining the nation in celebrating Carlos Yulo's historic Olympic sports achievements by offering this special gift.
Is this for real?
Following Carlos Yulo's outstanding performance at the 2024 Paris Olympics, where he won 2 gold medals for men's floor exercise and men's vault respectively, in my fair and honest opinion, VivaMax's decision to give Carlos Yulo a lifetime VivaMax subscription is controversial and may be seen as inappropriate. You see, while likely intended as a celebration, the gesture doesn't align with Carlos Yulo's public image and may not contribute positively to his career. For me, it appears to be a marketing strategy by VivaMax to gain publicity and capitalize on Carlos Yulo's widespread appeal and national pride, even if it risks generating mixed reactions. I would also like to reiterate that this video is not sponsored or a paid advertisement. It's created for entertainment and informational purposes only. The mention of VivaMax, including the lifetime subscription offered to Carlos Yulo, is purely for entertainment and does not imply any endorsement or sponsorship. The views expressed on this video are based on my own research and should not be considered financial or professional advice. I also like to give credit to PhilippineStar.com website article by John Milo Severo as source and inspiration on this video. Thank you.